As the Amazon parrots of California continuously fly about to consistently locate their seasonal foods, this time it's the seed pods of the Chinese golden rain tree that catch their eyes. First on the scene is a blue front Amazon parrot, which was accompanied by several yellowheads. Following shortly is a second flock of red-crowned Amazon parrots. Although these different parrot species generally stay within separate flocks, the distinctive calls of either species may be used or learned by one another to help locate the food sources, as shown here. And as with many bird species, despite belonging to separate flocks, it appears a universal pecking order remains highly in effect at all times. And to conclude this video, here are several more clips of California's Amazon parrots feeding on the seeds of the Chinese golden rain tree.